everyone, welcome to a new session of this series. Today we'll take up Sheetali Pranayama. It is a very simple breath practice. Anyone can do it. It is one of the cooling pranayamas. It brings a cooling sensation in your mouth and in your body. So let's start with today's practice. Just close your eyes. Sit straight. Roll your shoulders back. Observe your breath. Breathe normally. Three to four deep breaths. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Sheetali Pranayama is extremely simple. In this, we form a beak shape from our mouth, roll our tongue. While inhaling, you will feel a cooling sensation on your tongue. Then you close your mouth and exhale with your nostrils. So we inhale from our mouth with tongue rolled and mouth in shape of a beak. And while exhaling, we relax our mouth and exhale from the nose. So this is how we do Sheetali Pranayama. So let's start practicing it. Roll your tongue in form of a beak. Bring it a little forward in between your lips. Inhale. Close your mouth. Exhale from nose. We'll do 3 to 4 rounds more, forming a beak, then inhaling, relaxing mouth, exhaling from nose. Next round, form a beak, exhale from nose. Two more rounds at your own pace. This brings a cooling sensation in your tongue. And it also soothes and calms our mind. Once you're done with 5 rounds, relax. Take 2 to 3 deep breaths. Let's end today's session with 5 rounds of Anulom Vilom To balance the breath in our system, close your right nostril, inhale from the left, exhale from right, inhale from right again, exhale from left. Do it at your own pace. Inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left. Relax once you are done. You may stay in the meditative state for next 2 minutes, resting your attention on your heart. Thank you for joining in for today's session. Subscribe to the channel and share it with everyone. I hope you are liking these videos. Do leave your feedback in the comments. I'll meet you again in the next video.